And as global economic instability deepens and geopolitical tensions threaten international markets, the head of ITEL BPO is warning that Jamaica should not become complacent. The CEO is urging the government to double down on investments in the sector that employs thousands of Jamaicans and fuels significant economic activity. Details in this report.
Tension has been rising in the region. Shifting trade dynamics and international policy changes have sparked concerns across industries. The business process outsourcing sector is one of those industries. But stakeholders in Jamaica insist the sector has proven its durability.
You look through COVID, the BPO sector was strong and resilient. You look after the passing of Hurricane Melissa, the BPO sector is strong and resilient. The last 3-4 years, everyone has run around saying artificial intelligence is going to kill the industry. The BPO sector is still strong and resilient.
Speaking in an interview with TVJ News, CEO of ITEL, Yanni Epstein, says despite the global shifts, ITEL has managed to strengthen margins while continuing to invest in technology and expansion in a globally competitive market.
We have really focused on how do we grow our existing client base, and we've done that extremely well over the past several years, predominantly because of the output. We're going to continue to focus on this technology path. We really want to look at how we can continue to add value for our customers, and to increase our margins by looking at the greater AI technology.
And speaking of AI, there has been growing anxiety about its rise. Mr. Epstein sought to calm fears that automation could replace large segments of the workforce.
It is a tool for efficiency. Things are moving so fast. You have the phone, you're on Instagram 1 minute, you're in your email the next. There's so many different things happening that if you're not using AI to make you more efficient, the person using AI is one that's going to get the job.
Meanwhile, stakeholders out west have been moving quickly to restore normalcy in the sector following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. However, Mr. Epstein stressed that sustaining growth will require stronger policy backing.
We ourselves as investors, as well as the government, needs to continue to prioritize this industry, because all of the most recent catastrophes that have faced the country, this industry has continued to rise above it and be a strength for the economy, and we need to continue to focus on it.